What's going on, everybody? This is Pat. Just a quick little video here for any of you Tarptent owners that are kind of annoyed with the difficulty in packing the tent. One of the things that I hate the most is that the packing length is at least 16 to 17 inches because you only have 16-inch struts. This is for the Stratospire 1, but multiple tarp tents kind of use the same strut system. So this is the original carbon fiber strut. What I did to kind of mediate the inability to pack it horizontally in my pack, which is what I really wanted, was I removed the carbon fiber struts. And for a little bit of a weight penalty, which I was willing to take, what I did is I took some Easton aluminum tent poles that I had left over. And what I did is I measured up the original carbon fiber strut, and I basically set it up right in the center of the male and female parts of the tent pole, and I cut them down. And then that way what it allows me to do is run a piece of shot cord from one end to the other. So that way what I can do with these struts is, instead of having it as a long single 16-inch piece, I can pull it, crack this guy back, and fold it down to an 8-inch piece, and then go ahead and roll my tent up that way. So that allows it to be packed horizontally into my circuit. So I'll give you a quick look at that right now. So this is the original strut, not the original strut, but this is the way that the struts normally look. Long strut right here. And what I do with this is I am able to fold the struts down like this, simply by breaking them in half. And to put it back together, I just hook this back up. It takes literally no time, and then you're back to 2 full struts. When I want to take it down, you just loosen it up. You may have to pop these end caps back on occasionally, but for me, that setup is not that difficult, as I'm sitting here struggling with it. And then what you can do is fold this guy down, fold this guy down, and then you can roll it up. And then however you want to do it, I'm not going to have you watch me roll it up, but that takes it down to a very small pack size, and that allows me to put it with the inner and pack it into my pack and have a much more small form factor. So just wanted to throw that out there. If you're looking for these poles, there's a couple companies that sell tent poles or male-female nesting poles like this in carbon fiber. If you want to try and keep that weight down a little bit more, I don't have the exact weights of what this modification was. I don't have my scale. It finally broke on me, but I imagine it's only a couple ounces, maybe two ounces or something like that, which to me is worth it to be able to pack this thing horizontally into my pack. But you can also get these at like Dutchware Gear sells them, War Bonnet Outdoors. A lot of the hammock companies sell them because guys typically are using these to open up the side panel poles for their hammocks. But since I've been using a tent lately, I decided to just cut them up, modify them, and replace the struts in my Stratospire. So now, instead of it being 16 inches long, this big, long, stupid thing to try and fit into my pack, and I have a nice, comfortable, form-fitting, tent and inner that I can put in my ruck and keep everything nice and clean. So I just thought I would show that to you guys. Video quality kind of sucks because I'm doing this on my phone in my basement. So deal with it. All right, guys, take care.